Hi everyone, it's Fox Gaming here, and today I have the review of the YJ Zhulang. This cube is $5.99 from CubeCC, and I will leave a link down in the description if you want to buy it. The cube is a 56mm puzzle, and the feeling of it is amazing. It is very fast but controllable, with a smooth feel to it and slightly bumpy. Pops don't often occur, and since I got it I have only had about one pop. The cube has 45-degree corner cutting with a bit of force, and if you go further, the cube will lock up. For reverse corner cutting, it has about 4/4 of a piece, which is quite useful. I've heard that the cube is a mix between a Zhulang and a Qilong, but since I haven't got those cubes, I can't compare them to this one. The internals of the cube are pretty basic, with a double torpedo that prevents from popping, and a corner that fits right next to it as usual. Overall, this cube is really good, and I would recommend it to anyone who is just starting cubing. I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. Hope you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye!